The purpose of the project benefits management plan is to establish when and how the benefits will occur, how these will be tracked, and when these will be measured. What is meant by benefits? Well, benefits can be tangible and intangible. Tangible benefits are those that can be measured. Intangibles are hard to measure. Think of actions, activities, products, services, some results or documents, or just change in behaviors. All of these can provide benefits to the organization. So, key elements of the plan are the target benefits, of course, the tangible and intangible benefits. For example, increase in sales, reduction in cost, increase in customer satisfaction, compliance with regulations, and so on. Alignment with organizational strategy, how the strategic goals of the organization will be achieved through the realization of benefits. For example, an increase in market share is a strategic goal. Increase in sales will help achieve that based on the characteristics of the product or services. The sales or marketing department can establish how much increase in sales will result in each percent increase in market share. Timing of benefits realization, when various benefits are expected to be realized. For example, an increase in customer satisfaction will happen after 6 months of project finish date. Metrics, how the benefits will be measured. For example, a cost analysis will be done after the project goes live to see how much savings have been achieved. Another example, a customer satisfaction survey will be conducted 6 months after the completion of the project. Another one, an audit will be done after the project to see if the organization is fully compliant with the regulation. Assumptions being made that need to be true for the benefits to be realized. What risks are there that may stop the organization realizing the benefits from the project outcome? So you can see that the development of the project benefits management plan will require data analysis and also forecasting. Also keep in mind that this is not a document that is prepared during initiating and then never touched again. It may get revised many times before the project ends. As more information becomes available and as a better understanding of the project outcomes happen, the plan will get revised and updated. The project charter and the project management plan must remain aligned with project benefits management plan. So if the project management plan gets updated, it is time to revise the benefits management plan.